Cushions. Let's talk about them. I'm Logan with UltimatePatio.com, and I hold several degrees in the varied fields of butt comfort. Do you know what's in your cushions? I do. Camera 2. Most of you have foam cushions at home. I'm sure you love them. I love your cushions. But could they be better? Yes. Yes, they can. Foam is an excellent material for indoor cushions, but it drains water very slowly. This is all right. It very rarely rains in the home. Have you been outside though? It seems most of the time that's where it's raining. Regardless of the name, densified fiber cushions are actually less dense than their foam friends. This means that the water drains more quickly, and cushions only have two jobs: to be comfortable and to avoid ruining that comfort with embarrassing wetness. I made this liquid last night, don't worry about it. Let's pour it all over these cushions. You can clearly see how quickly it's already moving out of its new cushion home. See the foam though? It's in there, not even paying rent. It'll move out eventually, yeah, but I'm already bored waiting for it to happen. Let's wrap this up. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you'd like to know more, be sure to visit the Learning and Inspiration Centers on UltimatePatio.com. Thanks again, and have a great day.
All right, let's take it from the top.
Damn it. Hey again.